as the pilot will be coming in for the first of 2 high-speed passes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning is referred to as a 5th-generation air platform, the most advanced in the world, due to its combination of integrated sensors, weapons technology, and its low observability or stealth properties. Stealth technology allows the aircraft to fly in enemy airspace without being detected by radars that older aircraft cannot evade. The combination of stealth features, the APG-81 capable of speeds of up to Mach 1.6, that's 1.6 times the speed of sound, and can fly at heights up to 50,000 feet. The highly advanced fly-by-wire control system makes it extremely agile and reduces pilot workload. And as the pilot returns, we'll see now some of that agility as the aircraft comes back for a minimum radius turn near show center. The aircraft you'll see conducting the roll demo this afternoon is tail number BF-28, known to the pilots and maintainers as VM-18. Show you what the F-35B can do today. It will fly from land and sea, from RAF Barham in Norfolk, from the decks of Britain's biggest warships, the Queen Elizabeth-class carriers being built in Scotland, and carriers that are the only aircraft carriers in the world designed specifically for F-35B Lightning. Lightning has the most advanced, multi-role strike price technologies in the world. Its short takeoff and vertical landing capability will see it serve on board Britain's new Queen Elizabeth-class carriers and to work out of locations inaccessible to conventional tactical aircraft. This aircraft you see today is a US Marine Corps aircraft operated by Marine Fighter Attack Training Squadron 501, based at the beautiful Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort in South Carolina. The Royal Navy and Royal Air Force personnel currently number 50 and are all working within 501 Squadron. These personnel will ultimately form the backbone of 617 Squadron as the whole UK contingent grows to over 200 personnel over the next 2 years. Pilot Richard Rusnock will now bring the aircraft to a hover at Crowd Centre. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, main engine and roll control nozzle. Let's listen to the power of that engine. Set up for a vertical landing. The vertical landing will be on a pad constructed of aluminium planks, also pronounced aluminum, and positioned between the taxiway and runway, in the same way a pad will be built in an austere environment. The pad was installed by a joint field engineering team from both the US Marine Corps and our very own Royal Engineers. You'll notice as the aircraft is in the hover, the advanced flight control system is constantly making minor adjustments to the stoval actuators to maintain the body of the aircraft in a stable hover. This significantly reduces pilot workload, as such tasks were done manually in previous stoval aeroplanes. After touchdown, the pilot will simply command the aircraft to convert back to conventional mode. This causes the lift fan to disengage and all the doors to close. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the demonstration of the F-35B Lightning. The Royal Air Force, Royal Navy, and United States Marine Corps hope you've enjoyed this display of the future of combat air power.
Thank you very much indeed, Hoggy. Fantastic stuff from the F-35B Lightning II. And without any further ado, Squadron Leader Mike